Alright, we are now officially in Orlando. Off to Disney. That's mine.
Yep.
Douche ball?
It's pretty funny.
Yeah.
That's hilarious compared because the last one was the big black dick.
Hey, good to see you.
Alright, what's up everybody? It is day one of the 2019 Disney Princess Half Marathon Weekend. Today is just a 5K, so just a little basic warm-up run. It is currently 3:28 in the morning. I gotta go catch a bus. I'm trying to be real quiet because the rest of the family's still sleeping. I'm the only one crazy enough to run every day, so usually I would get some video on the chest cam, but some idiot forgot the right mount for his GoPro, so no chest cam. I'm out. Alright, so quick little vlog update here. It is now race day number 2. Today is just a 10K, a little 6.2. We're going to take it super duper easy. Absolutely super easy because tomorrow's the real race with the half marathon. We want that time, but 5K yesterday went pretty okay. I took it pretty easy, finished in like under 25 minutes, so not bad. But yeah, so we're off here, 10K. I'll update you guys tomorrow morning again. Alright, so here we are, run day number trace, half marathon day. Luckily we don't have to be as quiet today because Tyler's running with us. Oh yeah, put your pants on. Tyler and my mom are running with me, so I don't have to be as quiet this morning. I'm not alone, but we're off to do another 13 miles.